we're excited to review the AAOBOSI Slushie Machine, a perfect addition to any home for making frozen drinks and treats. Meet the AAOBOSI Slushie Machine, a versatile and easy-to-use machine that can make a variety of frozen drinks and treats. A versatile and easy-to-use machine that can make a variety of frozen drinks and treats, including margaritas, cocktails, and frappés. With its 6 preset programs and 7 adjustable thickness settings, you can customize your drinks to your liking. The machine also features a high-brightness LED display and real-time temperature display. The AAOBOSI Slushie Machine can make slushies in just 15 minutes, and the 68-ounce capacity is perfect for family gatherings or small parties. The machine keeps your drinks fresh for up to 12 hours. Cleaning is also easy with the automatic cleaning mode and dishwasher-safe detachable parts. The machine comes with a recipe book that includes classic drinks and healthy sugar-free formulas. Whether you're looking to make frozen margaritas, milkshakes, or just a refreshing drink, the AAOBOSI Slushie Machine is the perfect machine for you. It's easy to use and fun to make drinks with. Get yours now and start making delicious frozen drinks and treats at home. Thanks for watching Channel Name. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more reviews and tech content. With the AAOBOSI Slushie Machine, you can enjoy your favorite drinks and treats in the comfort of your own home. Perfect for hot summer days or anytime you need a refreshing drink. Make your drinks and treats with the AAOBOSI Slushie Machine. Order now and start enjoying your favorite frozen drinks and treats at home.